Two powerful video platforms. One big question. Which one truly transforms your workflow in 2025? On the left, Filmora. Beginner-friendly, pro-level editing in a fast, familiar package. And on the right, Runway ML. AI magic for video creators craving next-gen innovation. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise even the most experienced creators.
All right, here's where we break things down. We'll be comparing both Filmora and Runway ML across all the essential categories: pricing and value, platform and accessibility, editing features, AI capabilities, ease of use, and how well they play with others in terms of integration and collaboration. So, ready to see how these two stack up? Let's kick things off with pricing and value. Filmora, it actually makes things pretty simple. You can subscribe, or, if you're like me and hate recurring payments, do a one-time purchase that's surprisingly affordable. Oh, and once you go paid, no watermark. So your videos are yours. The downside? The free plan is, kind of limited. Then on the Runway ML side, the free tier lets you dip your toes in and play with its features. Decent, right? Plus, there's a flexible credit system for pay-as-you-go. But here's the catch. All your free exports will have a watermark. And if you're cranking out a ton of content, costs can ramp up pretty quickly. So Filmora kind of sneaks ahead here if you want value without surprise fees. Next up is platform and accessibility. With Filmora, you actually download and run it offline. Need it on your laptop, tablet, Windows, Mac, iOS, Android? It's covered. Of course, installing software is, well, not everyone's favorite. Now, Runway ML is built for anyone who loves staying in the browser. No installs, just log in and go. Plus, there's an iOS app as well. The big but, you really need a solid internet connection for anything serious. So, in terms of being able to use it wherever, however, it's kind of neck and neck. They both have their strengths. Editing features. Here we go. Filmora has one of those multi-track timelines. So if you like stacking clips, syncing audio, going wild with transitions, effects, and titles, this is your playground. It even packs in stuff like motion tracking and 4K support. Like, honestly, that's pretty advanced given how easy it is. Not surprisingly though, it's not the king when it comes to AI-generated video. Then we get to Runway ML. The stuff it does is kinda wild. You can use AI for in-painting, auto background removal, even motion brushing, and camera control. But you know what? If you're all about traditional editing, it feels a little lighter, and the best tricks do take time to master. So for most users, and especially traditional YouTubers, Filmora's just more complete here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Runway ML's Gen 4 text-to-video AI can actually mimic an entire visual style from just one reference image? That's like having your own cinematic look in seconds. All right, let's talk about the AI. Filmora has some pretty smart things under the hood. AI cutouts, AI text-to-video, and noise-canceling audio tools. Not bad, right? Still, when it comes to pure AI video generation, it doesn't go as deep as Runway ML. Now, Runway ML is kinda at the frontier. Text to video, image to video, you want a reference style locked in, it can do all that. In-painting, changing characters, all the wild stuff. There are a couple catches though. Free tier limits video length and resolution, and oddly enough, your AI generation doesn't get native audio. But if you want to push creative boundaries, this is your gold mine. Runway ML takes the category. Ease of use. So this one matters a lot if you're just starting out. Filmora's UI is super welcoming. Seriously, you can figure it out in a couple hours with tons of built-in templates to kick things off. Sure, once you jump into the really advanced stuff, you'll need a bit of practice, but overall, it's a breeze. On the flip side, Runway ML is modern and clean, and those AI tools are easy to trigger. But the cinematic tricks, they definitely require some technical know-how. So if you want to just get editing without a headache, Filmora wins hands down. Last big category, integration and collaboration. Filmora lets you export straight to social media, and it's perfect for solo creators. But if you dream about working in real time with a team, you might be a little disappointed. Runway ML steps up here. It's got real-time sharing, team asset management, project workspaces, the works. Only issue is you're tied to the internet and, you guessed it, a project sharing account. So for anyone thinking about collaborative or remote workflow, Runway ML is the move. If we put these two on a radar chart, you'd see Filmora spiking on ease of use,
overall editing features and value, while Runway ML shines for AI capabilities and team collaboration. Both have platform flexibility going for them, but their strengths are definitely unique. Honestly, here's the deal. Filmora is kinda perfect if you want a one-stop editor with smart AI assists and you don't want to spend weeks learning software. Ideal for YouTubers, students, or any beginner. Runway ML is where you go next, especially if you want to experiment, collaborate, or dive deep into next-gen VFX and pure AI creativity. So, which workflow fits your style? Streamlined editing or cutting-edge AI magic? I say go try both for free and see which one actually boosts your creativity in 2025.